Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a relaxing nighttime clean with me. I know it's been a while since I posted. I had gotten sick a few times and I did record this video right before the second time I got sick, and I definitely wanted to get it out to you guys. Basically, this video, I am taking down my Christmas decor and getting my kitchen back to a minimal and simple decor. And here I'm just showing you guys really quick the vacuum that I received for Christmas. It has become a lifesaver and helped me out a lot. I will be sharing a little bit more of it later on in the video. But yeah, here on my channel, if you're new, my name is Natasha. I'm a full-time working mom of 4, and on my channel I try to bring you guys things on home, lifestyle, and motherhood, which includes, of course, some cleaning, things on home decor, just taking care of my home and doing updates here and there. So if you think that's something that you guys would be interested in, I definitely love for you guys to stick around. This is a new year, and of course I'm trying to grow my platform. My goal hopefully is to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I think that's a realistic goal, although I only put out one video a week. Sometimes I'll try to put out more than one, but life is hectic, of course, with me working and other things, so I just do what I can. But if you guys know of anybody who may be interested in my content that you can share my videos with, I'd definitely love for you to do that. I would appreciate it, because again, I'm looking to grow my platform. And to all my oldies, I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate all your support and taking your time out of your day to watch my videos or make comments. I love hearing from you guys, and definitely let me know in the comments below what you guys have been up to. How has your new year been treating you? And I'm not going to do too much talking because it is a nighttime cleaning, relaxing video, so I want you guys to enjoy it.
Finally don't get enough, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your own way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Do-do-do. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye. you, baby. My life used to be in blue, now it's mostly filled with gloom. I miss you, baby. Yeah, I miss you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do, when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn to morning dew, then you let's face it, baby, you know all the places. My place is your place. My place, your place is my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby, you know all the places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do.
vacuum, the Ion Vac 2000 clean. I'll put it up on the screen if I don't remember the whole name. And it's basically smart for Google Play, Amazon Store, Alexa. I have it hooked up to my phone. I'll show you guys the app on my phone, how it looks. And it's pretty simple setup. This is the back of it. You guys see wheels, those are the cleaners. It can go at different speeds, suctions, all that good type of stuff. And let me just show you what it is right here. And then that's the on and off switch there. But I wanted to show you guys how much dirt I have in the bin. I actually emptied it earlier. So let's just see what we have in here right now. And I also have to empty out the trash. So this is the perfect time to do this. So let's see, hold on. This is the trash in here. You push, am I doing it right? Push there. Oh, I have it upside down with Makeover. But that's how much got picked up just now. And that's the filter there. It comes with a double filter that you can change it out, and also the